All right, all you guys have been watching and keeping track. There's the Cobra 29 Pro Mod. This here, y'all ready? That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Radio 5. And turn the variable all the way down. Oh. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Radio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta 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 ta. Variable all the way up. You can watch the scope. Pretty cool, isn't it? Pretty cool stuff right there. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the front. Variable all the way up. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Variable all the way down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And variable straight in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Radio 5. It's really pretty nice. I mean, bring. You can put that variable wherever you want it, see? Oh, anywhere you want to put it. Textbook. Anywhere you want to put it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, switchable top back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you don't want top back, no top back, no top back, no top back. You want top back? 1, 2, 3, 4. You got top back. You got top back. Variable everything. But it's done. Here you are. We'll turn it all the way up. Turn it wide open. We'll bump it on the scope. One more time. So y'all can see it. That's with the variable wide open and the mic gain wide open. It's 150% modulation. Just so you know. Turn this damn signal off. I kind of like it. Oh, y'all didn't get to see power, did you? Darn. Second line down from the top. Oh, 40 peak. Oh, that's from a 6-watt carrier. Turn the variable all the way down. You'll see a 0.5-watt carrier. Oh, and still swing the 40 peak. Turn the variable halfway. Not quite half. There's halfway at 5 watts. Oh, still swing the 40. I dreaming of a white Christmas.